Hi, my name's Alex with GutterBrush. I'm here to tell you how to use GutterBrush to keep debris out of in-ground storm drainage. If your in-ground storm drainage pipes clog up, it can be extremely expensive. You don't want to have to dig them all up and repipe them. So you can use GutterBrush to keep them clear. Now, usually people will start by trying to keep debris out of the downspouts with an item like this, a simple strainer. That will keep the debris out of the downspouts, but there's hardly any surface area. So if you install this over your downspouts, you're going to have a maintenance nightmare. You're going to have to go up there constantly when this clogs. A better solution, fill your entire gutter with GutterBrush from end to end. Send the GutterBrush right over the outlet tubes. It'll keep debris out of the downspouts, out of the outlet tubes. It'll keep your gutter from clogging, and your storm drains won't clog either. That's how you save money from having expensive repairs. I'm Alex from GutterBrush. Thanks for taking a look.